The tech stack for this is Three.js, Blender for creating the 3D avatars and animating them and rigging them, Puppeteer to scrape the web, LangChain and OpenAI API. So first, we create the 3D canvas in Three.js. Once the 3D canvas is set up, we can move on to modeling the character. So here I am going with the Oracle kind of avatar. Then we can rig the avatar with the bones, and then we can move on to animating them and adding the materials and shaders. Then we can import those into the canvas and make sure that the orbital settings are working. Then we can start adding statements like here we make the head follow the camera. Pretty scary. So even when we move the avatar, the head is being followed. Then we can add lever to add the controls and give it more user interactivity. Here we have the head follow option. Now we are loading up all the other animations, the thank you animation with the head follow, the talking animation, the idle animation. Now we can move on to the scraping part. Here we are using Puppeteer to scrape the web from the input that the user gives. Once the scraping is done, then we can use those scrape elements into the prompt and send the prompt to OpenAPI. Once we get the output from OpenAPI, we can simply show that output. Then we can add an input box which lets the user add whatever they are looking for, and we can follow the entire process. So here we are adding the question of comparison between two MacBooks. And once that is done, we have our prototype ready of the 3D virtual AI assistant who can answer any question that we have. And now we can create more container dockerized version of it and overlay it onto any website that the person is using, like we are using here. Now this avatar can be your online companion throughout the web and help you make better purchasing decisions.